Good morning students. Let's start today's lesson with chapter number 8, North America. This is the political map of North America. Look at the southern part. South of the Tropic of Cancer, the continent becomes very narrow, right? The tropical islands of the Caribbean Sea. Look at the map. This is Caribbean Sea. The tropical islands of the Caribbean Sea are collectively called the West Indies. They include Cuba, Jamaica, Puerto Rico, and many others. Greenland. Greenland, which is geographically a part of North America, belongs to Denmark. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Newfoundland. Newfoundland is another large island of the northeast coast which has become important for fishing. Okay. Come to the next topic, important cities of North America. Washington, D.C. This city is the District of Columbia, is the capital of the United States of America and is a symbol of unity, history and democracy. The banks of the river Potomac in the northeast of the country. At the city center lies the United States Capitol on a hill along with the White House, the Supreme Court and other government buildings. Okay. Next, New York. The city of New York is the second largest city in North America. The port of New York is one of the largest and busiest in North America. New York is a leading industrial center with many industries like textile, chemicals, engineering, shipbuilding, food processing, etc. It is also a great financial center and has the world famous Wall Street. The headquarters of the United Nations is situated in New York. Okay. Next, Chicago. Chicago, which is located on the Chicago River, where it enters Lake Michigan, functions as an important port and also has one of the largest rail stations. Chicago is also a big oil refining center. Next, Los Angeles. Look at the location. Los Angeles is the third largest city in North America. It is a global city with well-developed business, entertainment, trade, media, sports, education facilities. Hollywood is the center of the global film industry and was instrumental in the growth of this city. Okay. Mexico City. Just follow the location. Mexico City is the capital of Mexico and the largest city in North America. It is located in the Valley of Mexico. Next, Ottawa. Ottawa is the capital of Canada and is spread along the bank of the Ottawa River. The famous landmarks include the Central Chambers and the Parliament building, etc. Okay. Montreal. Look at the map. the second largest city in Canada with the largest inland port in the world. It is a great commercial city and was considered the world's leading grain port. Next city, Toronto. Toronto is North America's fourth most populous city. It is the capital of Ontario. It has grown into Canada's economic capital and is located on the northwestern shores of Lake Ontario. It is also a major center of higher education and research in Canada. Okay. So, these are the important cities of North America. All of you go through the points which I have discussed in this video. Okay.